Hey guys, this is DMS Gaming, and today I'm gonna be doing a very simple tutorial that some of you might know how to make, but you're just looking up how to make something else. And we are gonna be making a crafting table, a chest, and a furnace. So we have this here. You get this wood from that, but you don't get as much wood from this. You get 4 for each block, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8. You get 16 of these from that tree, and they have leaves. They're not just things. And you can probably also trade with villagers. No. Don't think you can, but so this is a crafting table. With survival, you should hit E, then it'll bring you to here, which I'm in creative, and then there'll be a little box there with only 4 squares. You do that there, that there, that there, and then like that. So I will show you how to do this in a different world that's in Survival. So, okay, this world, wait, is that the wrong world? That's probably the wrong world. Yeah, it's probably the wrong world. No, but it's in Survival. So, see, these are trees, but they're not the kind you expect them to be. So see, you punch what? Yeah, this is the right kind. Then you have your little crafting table here. And then you get planks. And then you can make a crafting table like that. And then a crafting table gives you more spots. So, yeah, when you hit E, it's not going to let you choose blocks because you have to try to survive, and you can't just choose blocks to survive. That would be really weird if you could, because yeah, so I showed you how to make a crafting table. Now let's see how to make a chest and a furnace. So this is a furnace, which we'll destroy for now. But how to make a furnace, because you're in your crafting table. This is what the inside of a crafting table looks like. You do this, like that, or you can just go like that. And so then you can craft it. To see what I was doing, like to do this, like really fast like that. Well, that's just by hitting that's just hitting the right trigger. You just right click, you just hold it down, and then you just move across with it. It's not like a cheat, because see, I have 62, 61, 60, and you can also do this, and then, so say I need these 2. It doesn't show up until you actually get off of them, so that's pretty cool. And if you just have like a whole bunch of these everywhere and you want to get them all back without gathering them all up, just go like that. You just left click twice, just like this. It might not work the first time, so that's how you make a furnace. And then you put the coal in there. And if you don't have coal, you put in oak wood planks. But if you want to make some of this beautiful wood, some of that coal without going down in the mines, it's called charcoal, which you need is plain old wood, for which is what you cut down. You don't craft it. And you put it in here, and you see that is all fired up, but it's going to start going down. And this is going to start going across, like a brewing stand. They go up, they're really cool. And there you go, charcoal. And then you can take that out, and charcoal works. So charcoal is the same thing as coal. It just looks a little different, and it's easier to get sometimes. And now moving on to how to make a chest. Same as a furnace, but with wood, like that. Not like all around. And if you're doing this at Christmas, it won't look like this. It will look like a present. And if you do another, you can take both of them out. You can either have one chest, two chests, because you see, that chest is little, but both of them together is bigger. And then you can, it's really cool. So, guys, I think that's gonna end out. You can also do this. Do we have to have that up there? It's a little bit weird. So, guys, I think that's gonna leave it there for today's video. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!